Let's make a healthier version of a green goddess salad dressing. I have 2/3 cups of plain yogurt in here, and I'm gonna add a 1/3 cup of mayo. I'm putting in a large garlic clove, salt and pepper. I have about 8 basil leaves here that are washed. 2 scallions, which I trimmed and just cut. And let's call this a 1/2 cup of packed parsley leaves. I'm gonna squeeze in 1/2 a lemon. And I'm using anchovy paste. I'm gonna do a teaspoon in here, but you can also just add an anchovy, or if you hate anchovies, forget about it, okay? Let's blend this. So let's taste for salt. Mine needs more. This, yummy. It's vibrant, it's full of flavor, it's delicious, and it'll last in your fridge for about a week in a closed jar. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you soon.